Today, we're exploring the profound knowledge shared by Alex Collier, the esteemed Andromedan contactee. His experiences and messages from the Andromedans are fascinating and crucial for understanding our place in the universe. We'll be providing you with insights that are sure to elevate your cosmic consciousness. Throughout this video, remember that your engagement helps spread this vital information far and wide. Each like, subscribe, and notification bell you click brings Alex Collier's invaluable knowledge and the wisdom of the Andromedans to more curious minds across the globe. Also, remember that we host a live webinar 3 times a month on a Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, so be sure to visit the link in the description for more information. But for now, here's today's video.
Have off-world beings advised our white hats to leave the population blinded by our media until the right time? It's so hard to believe awakening humanity isn't a top priority for the White Hat operation.
Yeah, I share that. I share that with you, but at the same time, I totally understand the reason why this was done this way. In order to find out who is truly awake, in order to find out who the true leaders are, or potential leaders could be going forward. Hey, going forward, you would institute a process in order for the old expression is for the cream to come to the top. Okay? And those who can see, those who have the ability to see through the illusions, tend to be the first ones to wake up. And those people tend to also be, those who are the first to wake up, tend to be the leaders moving forward. So essentially, this whole process is designed to find out who the leaders are and to find out those who are awake. Now, this is a really big deal because going forward, a lot of humanity is going to truly struggle with the disclosures that are coming out because they have based their entire self-image and persona on things that simply aren't true. So when these revelations come out, their entire self-image and self-projection is completely going to collapse. It's going to completely collapse. And it has to be us that helps explain and lift those people up out of the rubble, which is what they're going to see their life in as just rubble. It is us who have done the same journey as them. It has to be us to help lift them out of the rubble that their life has now just become. It can't be ETs. It can't be ETs that do this. Nope, it cannot be them. It has to be us. It has to be us. It has to be someone who clearly knows the same journey. This strategy that we're seeing play out here has been, I don't like using the word gamed, but it has been put through a process of of being put through not only third density computers, but fourth density computers, fifth density computers, and or conscious living systems to see what would be the best way and the surest way and the quickest way for humanity to get from here to there, to get from third into fourth and then into fifth. And this process that we are engaged in now proved to be the one on on third, fourth, and fifth that seemed to work the best. In other words, and looking and playing out the scenario, this scenario came out on third, fourth, and fifth, where many of the other ways that they looked at this, it might come up on third and fourth, but not on fifth, or it would come up on fifth, but not on third or fourth, or third and fourth. So, but this particular process of initiating everybody to what's been going on, to waking everybody up, came up on third, fourth, and fifth dimension, which is why it was selected. And it doesn't make sense to a lot of us, but I think at some point it will make perfect sense as we get closer and closer to full disclosure of the matrix we've all been living in. See, that's the issue. So many generations have been living in this matrix. We don't know anything else. We simply don't know anything else. So it's hard for anyone to conceive anything beyond what we've been in, the box we've been in. You know, it isn't until you've actually left the box and come back that you really understand and you know that you're in the box, you're in the matrix. So this was the way that was chosen to open up the box for everyone to see. It's complicated. It's complicated. No doubt about it. It's complicated. And how do you express fourth density reality and fifth density reality with a language that was not only limited, but it was designed to enslave our consciousness? The languages we use was designed to enslave our consciousness as well. So, it's a great question.
As we come to the end of today's cosmic journey, we hope you're leaving with a mind full of wonder and curiosity. If you've enjoyed this video and believe in the importance of sharing Alex Collier's messages, please show your support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the bell icon. This simple act goes a long way in ensuring that this knowledge reaches others searching for these cosmic truths. Also, remember to leave your thoughts, experiences, or questions in the comments below. We do read all the comments. Until next time, keep looking up and questioning the universe. Stay curious, fellow cosmic explorers. If you would like to see Andromedan contactee Alex Collier live via video stream, we hold a live webinar 3 times a month on a Friday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. For more information and dates of upcoming live webinars, please visit alexcollier.org. Please click on one of the above videos to seek more of Alex Collier's knowledge.